Many of the workers tasked with cleaning up the debris from the Eaton Palisades fire say they're worried about their health and safety. A new report released just today shows how masks, gloves, and other gear are not being used at cleanup sites. NBC4's Lolita Lopez live in Altadena with those details for us. Lolita.
Yeah, Michael, that report comes after a 2-day survey earlier this month by a group who went around here in the Eaton Fire area and looked at 240 sites, looking at the work of 1,200 workers.
En muchos sitios, personas que no tienen el traje adecuado.
One after another, workers who say they have been part of the cleanup from Palisades to Altadena after the fires describe conditions which they say made them feel sick.
Era como respirar veneno.
This woman says it was like smelling poison. They were among workers announcing this new report focused on cleanup sites in Altadena that was released by the National Day Laborer Organizing Network. It found many people were not wearing gloves, masks, or other protective gear, as noted by the deep red in these images, even though they were using equipment that kicked up dirt or were removing debris by hand. Nick Theodore conducted the study and points to the harmful chemicals on surfaces and soil in these burn sites.
We know that these toxins are related to all manner of long-term health consequences.
Among the recommendations in the report, have government agencies provide more free or subsidized PPE and conduct more inspection of cleanup sites to educate workers and employers on proper protection. Create additional cool-down periods so that crews can safely take breaks from the equipment, and launch a comprehensive review of what harmful toxins could have been left behind when cars, appliances, and products like pesticides burned in the Eaton Fire.
This disaster has been compared to 9/11, where a lot of workers went to do the cleanup, and now a lot of workers either got cancer or have passed away, and we don't want that.
The Army Corps of Engineers, which has cleared thousands of homes in the Altadena burn zone, says its employees and contractors wear protective gear, including additional gear when on the ash footprints, and that no workers are allowed on Army Corps sites without proper PPE. And within the last hour, we received a comment from the department, the county's Department of Public Health. They tell us that they do weekly outreach and observations, and they're working with community outreach groups to also talk to workers who they have also seen not wearing protective gear. They also say that they regularly submit complaints to Cal OSHA when worksite hazards are observed across the Eaton and Palisade debris removal sites. That's the very latest in Altadena. Lolita Lopez, NBC4 News.
All right, Lolita, thank you. And the LA County Department of Public Health is testing the soil near the Eaton Fire. The agency trying to get an idea of current lead levels in the ground. Previous soil testing did find those levels above safety thresholds.